Welcome back, mushroom folks. In this video, I will show you how to grow garden giant mushrooms in your garden. The scientific name for this mushroom is Stropharia rugoso-annulata. Garden giant mushrooms, also known as wine caps, are one of my favorite mushrooms because they are so easy to grow and are unique in their appearance and flavor. Once you get garden giants established, they can stick around for many years and even wander to other places in your garden. They are a very fun and rewarding mushroom to grow. To get started, you will need garden giant sawdust spawn as well as straw or wood chips. Straw can produce mushrooms faster but tends to have a shorter life. Wood chips can produce mushrooms for multiple seasons but may take longer to fruit. I prefer a combination of both for the best of both worlds, but either material works well on its own. Pick a shady spot in your garden and plan to inoculate your mushroom bed in the spring after the last frost. Start by soaking your substrate for 24 to 48 hours. Then drain it well. Break up the sawdust spawn and mix it in layers with your substrate. Lay out a layer of straw or wood chips and add a layer of spawn. Repeat this process until you have used all your spawn and substrate. Finish with a thick layer of wood chips or straw to keep in moisture. In general, you should use about 5 pounds of spawn for roughly 25 square feet. If you use more spawn, you should see your initial fruiting a bit faster. I also mulch all my vegetable beds with straw and inoculate those with garden giant spawn every season. This helps to retain a lot of moisture and keep the soil temperatures lower in the hot, dry summers. I find that my plants are a lot happier this way, and sometimes you get bonus mushrooms in with your vegetables. Keep your mushroom bed well watered throughout the season and check in periodically to see if the mycelium is thriving beneath the surface. It's hard to say when exactly the mushrooms will fruit, but typically spring plantings will produce in fall, and fall plantings will produce in the following summer. Garden giants grow to full maturity very quickly, so you will need to check your mushroom bed regularly, especially after rainfall or temperature fluctuations. The mushrooms are best when harvested very young, when the cap is still closed and the veil fully intact. As the cap flattens out, their flavor tends to fade and the mushrooms tend to have lots of insects inside. In their prime, garden giant mushrooms have a very nice texture and a slight flavor of cashews. Please note, some say that garden giants may cause stomach upset if eaten more than 3 days in a row. Garden giant beds can last for many years and will often migrate to other areas of your garden. You can inoculate your bed season after season and add fresh substrate to ensure a bountiful harvest each season. Also note that this outdoor cultivation method works great with oysters as well. Please subscribe for more mycology tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.